How
your
to
first
add your
charger in
Edge charger
is
to
quick
Joosup.
and easy. Hit the link labelled My Chargers. Next, press the Add Charger button to create a new charger. If you've already completed your profile info, your address should be saved within your account. Toggle the button stating the charger address is the same as your home address. If your charger is not located at your home address, you can simply enter the address manually. The next option is attended charging. If you prefer not to allow Joosup users to use your EV charger without you being present, press the Yes option. Next up is your parking space features. Covered parking, CCTV security, lighting for nighttime charging, Wi-Fi availability if you wish to provide internet access, and finally, disabled access. Choose any of the options that are appropriate to your parking by using the toggles, and when you're done on this page, hit the next button. Now we need information about the charge points you wish to share. Firstly, select the socket type your charger uses. Now you need to select your charger's output rating. In most cases, a home EV charger using a single phase connection will provide 7.4 kilowatts of power. Now choose whether your charger is a tethered or untethered unit. Tethered units come with an integrated cable, whilst untethered units simply have a socket. Now it's time to decide how much you expect to be paid per hour when EVOs use your charger. But we suggest you set a fee that covers your electricity charges sufficiently to give you a fair margin. Next, set your minimum session fee. This ensures you're paid a flat minimum no matter how long a charging session lasts. And finally, add anything useful about your charger into the additional info field. When you're ready, hit the next button. If there's any height restrictions preventing tall vehicles from parking, toggle this option on and enter the maximum height in meters. If the parking space is narrow or extra wide, check the appropriate option and enter the figure in meters. If a permit is required to enter your community, toggle this option on. If your charger requires any one of a key fob, a security code, or physical key to gain access, then toggle the appropriate options here. If your community, property, or driveway is gated, then toggle this option as well. If you need to tell EVOs a little more about how to gain access to your premises or charger, type as required into the additional info field. When ready, hit the next button to go to the final step. Last but not least, you need to decide what days and times to share your charger. You can choose to share it on any given days of the week. You may only want to share it Mondays to Fridays, or perhaps just at weekends, for example. Then finally, select the start time and end times we want to accept bookings. And when done, press the save button. That's it, your first charger has been added to Joosup. And as a final note, ensure host mode is toggled on to publish your charger live on the Joosup map.